Hi friends, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software update from the OnePlus Nord 2 and the Realme X1 Max. I did not receive any kind of update yet, so maybe very soon I might be able to receive the update. So in this test, I'll be using the 20 applications. As you can see friends, 20 apps only, not games, only 20 applications. So some of them will be using everyday day-to-day usage as well. So let's see how well these both phones will be able to perform in terms of the speed test and in terms of the RAM management test. Let me try to do the first reboot test. Let's see which phone will be able to restart faster this time. So these are the 20 applications which are selected on the recommendation from one of my subscribers. All the subscribers, most of them did ask to choose the applications. So before I did do the plenty of speed test using the games, so using the 10 games and 20 games, but in a normal day-to-day life, we'll be using more applications than games in the background. So that is the reason I thought of selecting 20 applications only. So let's see friends, which phone will be able to keep them in the RAM management better and which phone will open faster. And both are 8GB RAM variants, yes. So both are 8GB RAM variants and both they do have the Dimensity 1200, same kind of processor. That's the one thing. So first phone to boot up is the Realme X1 Max and second is a OnePlus Nord 2. And first let's go to the settings option to show you what kind of Wi-Fi connectivity I have connected to. So right now, as you can see, I connected to the Wi-Fi, same Wi-Fi connection. Let me go to the Wi-Fi back and yes, yeah, 2.4 gigahertz. As you can see friends, I connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi connection in both phones. There's no problem at all. And next, let me try to clear all the background applications. So all the background applications are completely clean. And during this process, I am using the external RAM capabilities 8 plus 5GB of RAM in the Realme X1 Max, as you can see clearly. And in the OnePlus Nord 2, you do have the option which is called the RAM boost. If you try to go to the additional settings, and here you can actually find the RAM boost option that is enabled. So I'm not using any kind of high performance mode. No, I'm not using any high performance because this is a basic everyday application. That is the reason I thought of not using any kind of high performance mode. So let's get started with the first application, which is a Google Chrome. Let's see which phone will be able to open faster and better. Both are kind of close to each other, not bad. And the speed test, we need to click back, yep. And I'll try to keep these results in the background. This one I'll try to keep them in the background. And the Play Store, I'll keep one of the game in the background. As you can see, in every application I'm trying to keep something in the background just for the RAM management. Let's see how well this both phones, which phone can actually keep them in the RAM management without even getting refreshing. That is what my point of making this video. I'm typing some kind of number in the background, yes. And the Ghana. So till now, both phones they did a really good job in terms of loading faster. And first the Realme X1 Max did load here, as you can see. Okay. So it might be slightly confusing because both phones do have the same kind of punch hole, but still the wallpapers are different. The OnePlus Nord 2 and the Realme X1 Max. And the YouTube music, Realme X1 Max did load faster than the OnePlus Nord 2. Gallery first loaded in the OnePlus Nord 2. And the calculator I'm trying to keep, yep. And camera, not bad, both are kind of same. Prime videos, not bad, both are exactly same. Next, Spotify, not bad, both are kind of, I think OnePlus Nord 2 did load slightly faster, a little bit, just a little bit, not much. I'll try to type some number, yep, yeah. And Netflix, both are not bad. And next, Myntra, yes, not bad, same kind of thing. Instagram and Facebook. So we are able to finish this 20 applications. So we'll be able to see the results better. The Realme X1 Max, as you can see friends. So the Realme X1 Max was able to load some applications faster. So maybe I think the Wi-Fi connection might be slightly faster. I think so in the 2.4 gigahertz, because I'll try to explain you what is happening with the 2.4 gigahertz as well in another video in the OnePlus Nord 2. And yes, right now I did open 20 applications in the background. As you can see friends, 20 applications starting from the first Chrome application. As you can see, everything in the background application, all the applications are rolled in. Let's start from the back. So let's see how many applications will be in the background memory. And not bad, Facebook, yep. And Instagram, good. And Myntra, not bad at all. Netflix, not bad. And next is WhatsApp, no issues with the WhatsApp, nothing. So yep, both are kind of loading very faster, not without getting any kind of refresh. That's kind of excellent. And the camera also, yep, that's good. And calculator, yep, photos, no issues. As you can see friends, everyday day-to-day task, you should not feel any kind of difference between both phones. So when it comes to the applications, both are really good in terms of the RAM management and speed up as well. So YouTube Music, yep, that's fantastic. Zoom as well. And this is the 15th application which I'm trying to open. As you can see friends, 15 applications in both phones that did not even get reloaded. As you can see clearly, 15 applications, no issues at all. Now let's move to the final round, so which is the last row that will be a really critical row. So let's see whether which phone can actually keep them in the background RAM management. Yes, Paytm, both are exactly same. What number I entered, not bad. Flipkart, exactly same electronic store. As you can see friends, no issues. That's fantastic. And Play Store as well, same game which I loaded before, it's there. So as you can see clearly, that's also good, no problem. Next, speed test. Yes, as you can see friends, same thing. That's wonderful. So it did not get even reloaded, nothing. And final application which is a Google Chrome. Let's see, Google Chrome, one which got reloaded in the OnePlus Nord2 device. So before it used to be this page, but now it got reloaded. As you can see exactly, just only one application, nothing much difference, just only one. But overall, it was able to do really good job. So any phone which can actually load and keep in the background memory more than 15 or 10 applications, that should be completely fine, because we may not be using all this much 20 applications in the background memory. At least we use 10 to 15. So 10 to 15 should be kind of really average score what we are trying to use. So in the random test also, I'm trying to do which phone can actually keep them in the RAM management memory. That is what I'm trying to check. So did any application get closed or any kind of refresh happened or not? That is what I'm trying to see, to find out anything happens weird. So till now it was able to survive really good. So both phones, no issues. So when it comes to the day-to-day activities for the applications, so you should not be worried at all. So games is different. So games is kind of slightly intense kind of usage. So that's the reason games may not be possible. But applications, you should not worry. If you're an average to medium kind of user, then definitely it doesn't make any kind of difference. But OnePlus Nord2 did reload this Myntra application. This way I'll try to do the random test just as a double check every time. I need to do the random test. Only then I'll be able to get to know what is happening exactly. So Flipkart, yes, not bad. Yep, till now both phones were able to, only in the Myntra application only the OnePlus Nord2 did reload once. That is the only one where I did see. Not, I think, yeah, speed test also no problem. Yep, fantastic. As you can see friends, all these applications completely in the memory and everything was opening very much faster in both phones, no issues at all. And this is the final conclusion friends, and both phones are did really great job in terms of the speed test and the RAM management test. Sometimes the OnePlus Nord2 did open, but most of the, I think, applications were opened faster in the Realme X1 Max. That's another thing which you should reloaded. That's what I meant. So when you try to open the Amazon and the Google Chrome and some other applications, they did load fast in the Realme X1 Max, Gaana and few applications. So thank you for watching this video friends, and for every day-to-day task you should not feel any kind of difference much between both phones if you are trying to use this many applications in the background memory. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.